Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Corner. Today we will be doing review of the Magic Mic and VoxBox from the iMyFone. I am very excited to talk about these both softwares that I found, which is really interesting. And I am pretty sure you guys will like it as well. Alright guys, so let's start with the new Magic Mic. So what this software basically does. It is basically change your voice in live. It's a live voice changer with more than 200 by 20 plus AI voice filters. Check out the links in description. You can try it for free.
Magic Mic Real-Time AI Voice Changer.
Magic Mic Real-Time AI Voice Changer.
Magic Mic Real-Time AI Voice Changer.
Okay guys, welcome back. So this is how it looks like the iMyFone Magic Mic. Very interesting. On the left side, you have voice box with lot of voice filters, soundboards with lot of sound effects, voice memes here. In Voice Studio, you can customize the voice pitch effect you want with a lot of effects, and finally the settings section, which you can manage audio, microphone, headphone volumes. Best part is it has noise reduction enhancement, which can reduce background noise and make it clear. Before going into it, make sure you enable these things to work. Now let's test some of AI filters in live mic.
Nice. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, it's me, your handsome boy.
Hello everyone. Hello.
Let's test some celebrity voices.
Hello, this is Elon Musk.
Hello everyone, this is Barely. You can channel voice. There you go.
Hello, I'm Freddy Facebook.
Oh, that's cool. Now going to soundboard section. Here we have lots of sound effects. You can add these while streaming or in the middle of the video. In the voice memes, there are a lot of voice effects available. You can use it during the stream or others.
Hello. Hey guys. Hey, what's up?
My name is Siri. Is there anything I can help with? Don't talk to me like that.
In soundboard, there are a lot of additional sound effects which are used while streaming content, which is free. So try out these two. But one more thing here. Here you can also be able to adjust AI voice pitch vocal for better results.
Hello.
If you are using any of these OBS Studio voice changer setup stream services like OBS Studio, this software will also be used in game streaming. Just you can Magic Mic as direct audio output also even works for various other softwares. Here just create a scene, create a source for output mic for voice changer as virtual audio as shown. Now the final one, which is free AI voice generator. You can create 3200 plus realistic text to speech in more than 40 plus languages. Try this too.
VoxBox, a professional one-stop voiceover generator.
So guys, finally we are on iMyFone VoxBox interface here. On the left side, we have text-to-speech feature, AI voice cloning, AI generated rap, which you can generate AI lyrics. Voice changes speech to text audio enhanced at various levels, and the record section. So let's talk about text to speech as it's based on review. Here you can enter text and convert it into speech. Also you can upload any of your documents and convert it into speech. Also here we have a lot of realistic voices.
Hey folks, take a shot at our text-to-speech AI voice.
As AI pioneers,
Hey folks, take a
Hi friends, I'm back with another fun DIY tutorial. Today we're giving these first completely remove.
Now I will show you the demo.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let us test the option text to speech. I will begin with very simple short story from ChatGPT. Thank you. In a cyberpunk city ruled by
everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Here I upload a document file which will convert into speech. Have a look.
So let us test the option text to speech. I will begin with very simple short story from ChatGPT. Thank you. In a cyberpunk city ruled by an omnipotent AI government, rebel hackers.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let us test the option text to speech. I will begin with very simple short story from ChatGPT. Thank you.
Here in the voice changer, we can be able to convert the original voice file into otherwise a bit scary but interesting.
Protection will lead to great prosperity.
Where did Elizabeth Olsen go to college? And
today, I want to tell you 3 stories from my life.
Today, I want to tell you 3 stories from my life. That's it. No big deal. Just 3 stories.
Today, I want to tell you 3 stories from my life. That's it. No big deal. Just today, I want to tell you 3 stories from my life. That's it. No big deal.
Here in speech to text, the audio voice files gets converted into text. Just add files, select language and convert.
Today, I want to tell you 3 stories from my life. That's it. No big deal. Just 3 stories.
And the final one, audio enhancer, which can be able to remove background noise or music in the file.
Hello and welcome to Philly Late Night. Hello and welcome to Philly Late Night.
I'd like to visit Spain and Greece. I'd like to visit Spain and Greece.
Of course, lots happens in life and of course, lots happens in life
and so that's it for today's video, guys. Also check out these plans too. You can also try out the demo trail version for free. I hope you like the video, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.